Beyond Neptune, in the frozen outer reaches of our solar system, thousands of icy objects drift in near total darkness. Astronomers call this region the Kuiper belt, and beyond it, an even more distant and mysterious zone known as the scattered disk. For decades, scientists have tracked these objects, mapping their orbits with painstaking precision. Most behave exactly as gravity predicts, pulled along by the combined influence of the 8 known planets, especially the giant distant pull of Neptune. But a small number of these objects don't follow the rules. In 2003, astronomers discovered Sedna, a dwarf planet with one of the strangest orbits ever recorded, a path so elongated it takes over 11,000 years to complete a single loop around the Sun. Sedna's orbit shouldn't exist, at least not by the standard model of our solar system. Something appeared to have pulled it into that shape. Then came more objects. 2012 VP113, then a cluster of similar bodies, all sharing a peculiar trait. Their orbits were clustered together, tilted at similar angles, and pointed in the same general direction in space, as if something massive, unseen, was quietly organizing them from a distance. In 2016, astronomers Konstantin Batygin and Mike Brown, the same researcher who helped demote Pluto, published a striking claim. After analyzing the orbits of 6 distant objects, they calculated that the odds of this alignment happening by pure chance were less than 1 in 15,000. Something was shepherding these objects into formation. But what? The leading explanation is what astronomers now call Planet 9, a hypothetical planet roughly 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth, orbiting the Sun at a staggering distance, possibly 400 to 800 times farther from the Sun than Earth is. At that range, it would take between 10,000 and 20,000 years to complete a single orbit. If it exists, Planet 9 would be too faint and too far to have shown up in any survey so far, a needle lost in an ocean of darkness. Teams using powerful telescopes, including the Subaru Observatory in Hawaii, have spent years scanning the predicted regions of sky, following the mathematics like a treasure map. So far, nothing has been confirmed. Not everyone agrees a planet is the answer. Some astronomers argue the clustering of orbits could be a statistical illusion caused by how and where we happen to look for these distant objects, a bias built into our own observations rather than evidence of a hidden world. Others propose alternative explanations, a passing star that once perturbed the outer solar system, or even a primordial black hole, roughly the size of a bowling ball, but with the mass of a planet, quietly orbiting in the dark. In 2025, a separate research effort using infrared sky survey data reignited the debate, identifying a candidate object consistent with a distant massive planet, though astronomers have cautioned that further observation is needed before any confirmation. Whether Planet 9 turns out to be a real, undiscovered world, a statistical mirage, or evidence of something even stranger, one thing is certain: the outer solar system is not as empty nor as fully mapped as we once believed. Somewhere out there, in the vast dark beyond Neptune, gravity is writing a story we have not yet finished reading. Don't forget to support our YouTube channel, Marmoryn, by subscribing and liking our videos to explore the mysteries of science, space, and ancient civilizations.